Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. Good evening. I hope everyone is doing fine. Thanks for having watched my previous videos. Today I'm going to have a further tutorial about Kikuyu learning, and we're going to move on from where we left last time. But today I'm going to teach you something different. So keep tuned. Now, when you want to say my parent or my parents, we are going to start with the possession. This is what we are doing now. My parent, Moshiari wakwa. Moshiari is my parent, wakwa is my parent. Like Moshiari wakwa. If you have both parents, this is how you say it. Ashiari akwa. Ashiari akwa. If you want to say my wife, motumia wakwa. Motumia wakwa. Motumia is the wife, wakwa is my wife. If you want to say my husband, this is how you do it. Modhuri wakwa. Modhuri wakwa. Modhuri is the man, the husband. Wakwa is my husband. So, if you want to say my kids, this is how you say it. Shiana shiakwa. Shiana shiakwa. Shiana are the kids. Wakwa or shiakwa is the plural of kids. If you only have one kid, you will put this like this. Mwana wakwa. Mwana wakwa. That is only if you have one kid. Mwana is the singular position, the singular form of kids. Kids, one kid. Mwana wako. Now we're going to go to a different level, and I'm going to teach you some of the sentences that come along during our day-to-day activities. And we're going to start with number one. When you want to tell somebody, or when you want to ask somebody, how was your day? This is how you say it. Watida atia. Watida atia. Or watida atia. Watida atia. Watida atia. I'm saying it a bit quickly, so that's why you hear me saying watida atia. Watida atia. Or if you want to go slowly and slowly, you just say watida atia. Watida atia. If you are really improving in your skills, watida atia. Yeah. If you want to answer that question, you can say, my day was fine. This is how you say it. Datida wega. Datida wega. Datida is my day was fine. Like wega is fine. Datida is how it was, and wega is fine. Datida wega. Datida wega. Fine. Fine. Wega is fine. Now, if you want to tell, or if you want to ask somebody what time is it, this is how you put it. Ne da shigana. Ne da shigana. Ne da shigana. What time is it? If you want to tell somebody, or if you want to ask somebody, do you have money? This is how you put it. Wina besha. Wina besha. Wina besha. Besha is money. Wina besha. Wina besha. Do you have money? Wina besha. If you want to ask somebody, are you hungry? This is how you put it. We mohotu. We mohotu. Mohotu is hungry. We mohotu. If you want to ask somebody, where do you live? Woikaraga ko. Woikaraga ko. Woikaraga ko. Where do you live? Woikaraga ko. Now, I'm going to teach you some other things apart from sentences, and these are some small nouns that come to our day-to-day activities and things like, we're going to start with something like food. What do you call food? Food is irio, irio, irio. Like I taught you previously, or I taught you how to say you are hungry. Now you can ask somebody, we mohotu, and then you say, yes, I am hungry. You can say de mohotu, and then you say, I want food. Nedere da irio. I want food. Nedere da irio. I want food. Irio is food. Now, let's go to something different, like chai or tea. This is how you call it. Chai, chai, chai. Be very careful with the word chai because it has different meanings when you come to Kenya. One is the drink, and second is some sort of corruption. So if somebody is telling you chai, gorera chai, or nega chai, or ne chai, you have to watch out what exactly he or she is trying to mean, because chai is different. It's either a drink, a beverage, or the corruption, something you give at the back of the door to get something. Yeah. So now, most of the people have heard about our famous Kenyan food, which is ugali, and this is how you call it. Gima, gima, gima. Now, ugali is mostly accompanied by kales and some sort of meat or beef stew. So if you want to say kales, you call that nyeni, or cabbages, boga, boga. Nyeni are the green kales. Boga is the cabbage. If you want to say the meat or the ugali is most probably accompanied by meat or something, now this is what you call meat. Nyama, nyama, nyama. Now, for example, you want to drink water, or how do you call water? Water is called my. Now, let's say you have bread. This is how we say it. Mogate, mogate. Thanks for joining me, and thanks so much for being with me in this tutorial, and I hope you are improving on your Kikuyu skills. We are going to move on next time to another level. For today, I call this a day, and we see us another time. Bye.